And this is my friend.
Boots.
And together we're Dora and
Boots.
who do we ask for help when we don't know which way to go?
The map.
Say it again.
The map.
Do you see the map? Do you see the...
It's right here.
Oh, thanks, Boots. Okay, let's go to the village where Michaela's trapped.
Yeah.
Swiper! Oh no! Swiper, no! Oh! Oh no! Okay, so, okay. We got the map back. Let's go, Boots. Oh look, Michaela's trapped in the cardboard mountain. What do we do? Boots, dig our way.
Oh my god!
Hi! Michaela is saved.
Yay!
What was your favorite part? I like that too. Okay, we did it.
We did it! We did it!
Buonissimo, we did it. We went to